Welcome to our new series, Eating Out, where I'll be taking you to some of the best restaurants around the country. And today I have got you to Honey and Smoke, which does some of the best Middle Eastern food. So come on in. I am in the kitchen now with the owner and head chef, Itamar. Thank you so much for letting us into your kitchen.
Our pleasure.
Oh, that's so sweet. So what are you making for us?
We're making falafel. We have these chickpeas that we soaked overnight, and it's super important to use just soaked chickpeas, not cooked chickpeas. Never cooked chickpeas.
So no tin chickpeas either?
No, you have to use the dry stuff, and it has to be soaked overnight.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're making hummus. You're not making falafel.
Okay.
We have this machine. This machine does the work for us.
Yeah.
And we always put onion in that.
Okay.
So what we're basically going to do, you can use whatever seasoning that you like. We're doing like our favorite actually, which is Yemeni flavors. I'm going to get some garlic in, a little bit of green chili.
Yeah.
We want a lot of parsley. That gives it kind of freshness and sweetness and the color. And again, you can chop it very coarse. We have coriander as well. You want a lot.
Yeah.
So we're going to do, we call it here milkshake. We're going to mix it all together until it's quite smooth.
Okay.
It doesn't need to be completely smooth because it's going to go again. So we have the milkshake. We're just going to mix it with the chickpeas and then it goes back in the bowl. The chickpeas, we never kind of tip them out. We always fish them out of the water and we just give it a mix with the greens.
Yeah.
And then it goes back in. And then you don't want the texture to be too fine. You want it to have quite a bit to be a little bit chunky and gnarly.
Yeah.
This is what you want. It can be a little bit smoother, it can be a little bit chunkier, but this is kind of a nice way in the middle. The color is so lovely and green.
So
and you can taste it as well when you eat. So cumin, we're very generous with. Salt, you want to pinch. And this is beautiful, freshly ground green cardamom.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. And this
That is so fresh.
it's so nice, and with the cumin, because the cumin is quite earthy and deep, and this is like so fresh and zingy. The flour, you can use any flour, but we use gram flour, we use chickpea flour, just because it keeps it gluten-free for a lot of our customers that are, and the flavor work with chickpeas and chickpeas. Yeah, this is just to kind of absorb the moisture, and we're gonna add a pinch of baking powder. This will just make sure that it bakes evenly. So we give it a good mix. You don't want to work it too much because you don't want it to become like a dough. But you just need to make sure that all the ingredients are kind of well combined. This is a good texture. When I roll it in my hand, it keeps the shape. And this is what I want. And then you just need to fry them, that's it. You can use a spoon for this, but again, we're going to go native. Just roll them into little torpedoes and gently flip them into the oil. You can put them on some absorbent paper, but if you fry them well, then they won't be greasy.
So good.
A bit nice.
So here is a fantastic meze of amazing dishes, and of course I can't eat it all alone, so I have called in a special friend, the lovely MBE chef Romy. Thank you so much for joining me.
Hello, I'm so excited to taste all the food.
Let's dig in. Where shall we start?
I really want to try the hummus.
Okay,
Please.
there you go. Hummus is really easy to make, but it is also very easy to get it wrong, because with the flavors, if it's not a good balance of tahini, chickpeas, it can go completely.
So delicious.
That is really, and also it's really subtle, isn't it? It's not strong or overpowering or just right.
Aubergine is one of my favorite vegetables.
Really?
Did you
That's
make
the
this
falafel,
one?
yeah, we just made, yeah. Just so simple and,
So light.
yes. That's just simple tahini with a couple of flavors.
Us Indians, we prefer eating with fingers, don't
Yeah, I
we?
know.
The knife and fork is gone.
So
out of it.
naturally, isn't it? It just comes so naturally. Grilled pears.
This is so good.
with almond tahini. That is amazing.
The sweetness, so good.
And the crunchy almonds, that is really good.
Is that the burnt onion, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a burnt onion.
I love the pomegranate.
Yeah, I think it's not only just flavor. I think pomegranate seeds add so much color and vibrancy to a dish.
See,
And we still have,
my favorite is that one.
yeah, that pears is actually.
I mean, everything is really delicious, but that is so
That
good.
is actually, I'm also going to go with that one.
So what do we have here? Lamb chops with like plums, isn't it?
Yeah, that actually is only a tiny bit sweet.
See, this is how I like my meat. So in India, in Greek, people don't make it like leave it red. It has to be cooked.
Yeah.
So
this-
I like it that way. Beautifully balanced the flavors and cooked right.
So this is one of the very, very popular cheesecake desserts. No surprise that this is one of their most popular desserts because it is stunning. Just the balance of flavors. It's not very heavy. Cheesecake is so light. I love the pistachio cake. Oh my god.
This is so moist.
That is amazing. So Itamar, all the food is amazing.
Thank you very much. I'm
It
glad
is
you
very
enjoyed it.
difficult to choose a favorite,
Yes, it's very hard.
but you have got a favorite.
I do love the lamb chops and the pear.
The grilled pears are
really good.
are a winner, but I absolutely love the desserts. Oh my god, that is
You had the marzipan cake.
no, the pistachio
The
cake.
pistachio cake,
Oh
sorry.
my god.
The ice cream.
Yes.
Oh my
Oh, the
God.
cake is so moist and
Yeah.
warm and
There's spinach,
lovely.
you know?
What?
Spinach.
Really?
Like, spinach. Popeye.
Yeah, it's one of your 5 a day.
Yeah.
Oh God! Oh, thank
Two
you.
of your 5 a day because you get the fruit as well.
Yes, yes, of course, pears. Yeah. Oh, sorry, plums. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Thanks for that.
Those
But
plums, the grilled plums are so nice. I'm
so
going there in my restaurant now. That's it.
so good. No, but the food is amazing, and thank you so much for letting us into your kitchen,
Chetna,
feeding
it
us
was
this
such
lovely
a
food.
pleasure.
Thank you
So
so
was a
much.
pleasure.
Yeah, thank you. And guys, if you have not been to Honey and Co. or Honey and Spice, yes, or Honey and Smoke, then please get yourselves down here. You've seen all the food. Try these falafels. Come and give them a visit. Thank you so much for joining me in eating out. And thank you, Romy, so much for joining me. Finish all this food. Amazing, amazing food.
I love eating.
And I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe till then. We're going to try and finish us a bit more, eat a bit more. Bye.